Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Ketchum, local and long-distance movers near me. We make it easier to relocate by offering you all the following options: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. If you're ready to move across the country or even just one state over, our help can make it easier. Any move of 100 miles or more requires long-distance movers if you want a simple move. Our team knows how to make things easier on you during this already overwhelming time. An Idaho moving company is a great option for a local move. The shorter distance might fool you into thinking it's a simple job. However, moving is also a huge hassle and a big job even if you're just moving a few houses over. Things still need to be backed up, loaded into a truck, and moved over to a new location. Then, everything has to be unloaded and unpacked. With the help of 3 men and a truck, you get the simple move you need. We can do the packing and unpacking too. If you're ready to move and just want the easiest move possible, we can provide it for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Ketchum moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.